In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Tradestation Desktop. By the end, you'll have the platform installed on your Windows PC and be ready to sign in without any confusion. First, head to the official download page for Tradestation Desktop. Use a trusted browser and make sure you're on the legitimate Tradestation site before proceeding. This helps you avoid outdated installers or third-party links. Having a stable internet connection will make the download smooth and prevent corrupted files. Next, log into your Tradestation account through the Client Hub. Have your login credentials ready so you can get in quickly. Once you're in the Client Hub, look for the option that says Download Tradestation Desktop and click it. This will start downloading the installer file, which will have a .exe extension. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you can easily find, like your Downloads folder. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file to run it. Windows may display a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Choose Yes to continue. It's a good idea to close other applications first so the installer can run without interruptions and your system resources are fully available. Now follow the installer steps. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. Accept any necessary terms, confirm the destination, and click Install. You'll see a progress bar while the files are copied and configured. This part can take a few minutes depending on your system speed. When it's done, click Finish to close the installer. That completes the installation. To open Tradestation Desktop, go to your Windows Start menu. You can scroll through your app list or simply type Tradestation in the search bar. Click the Tradestation Desktop app to launch it. When the sign-in window appears, enter your username and password. If you see any additional on-screen prompts during login, just follow them to complete access. Once you're signed in, you're all set to begin using the platform. To recap, you visited the official download page, logged into the Client Hub, clicked Download Tradestation Desktop, ran the .exe installer, followed the install and finish steps, and opened the app from the Start menu to log in. If anything doesn't appear as expected, double-check that you downloaded from the official site and that your internet connection is stable. That's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and done in just a few minutes.